Hello guys, welcome back to the Years Technical channel. Today we will start a new series with the topic of Vim Editor. First, open the terminal. Update software source by command sudo apt update. After that, whether you have installed Vim before or not, you can run this command sudo apt install Vim. After we install or upgrade Vim, we enter Vim to enter the Vim editor. Now we are in the normal mode. In terminal, we are used to using control with a C to exit a program. But if you use control with a C in normal mode, the following prompt will pop up. Follow the hint and type column QA in order. When you type column, the input is displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen. The entry of column changes the mode of Vim from normal mode to command line mode. After typing column QA, press enter to execute the command, then you will return to the shell. We haven't opened or created a file yet. First, check the list for the current folder by command ls-l dot. Then output the result to yes.test. Use command cat yes.txt to view the content. Then vi yes.txt to enter this file. After entering the file, we already know that we can switch to command line mode using column. But if we want to edit the text, what do we need to do? It's quite simple. Type the letter I to switch to insert mode. Then we can start editing the file. Earlier we talked about using letter I to switch to insert mode. Vim is actually a case-sensitive editor. This means that the effect of an uppercase and a lowercase is different. Lowercase I is inserted before the current cursor. Uppercase I is inserted at the top of the text in this row. In addition to letter I, letter A and letter O are also insert mode commands. Lowercase a is to insert after the current cursor. Uppercase A is to insert at the end of the line. Lowercase o is to insert a blank line below the current line, and uppercase O is to insert a blank line above the current line. Now we insert several words. I am Chris. Then use Ctrl with a C to return to normal mode. In normal mode, press dot to repeat what you just did. And press letter U to undo what you just did. There are two ways to save a file. The first way is to save your changes directly in the original file. In this case, we use the command column W. The second way is to save the file you are editing as a second file. In this case, we will use column save as plus the file name. If we save the current file and exit Vim, and then write something in an unnamed file like see you next time, then we type the following command. Then click Vim. Look at it with cat yes.txt, and you will see you next time is inserted on the line after the original content. Okay guys, that's what we have today, just 10 little small topic. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to Years Technical channel. I will see you in next time.